We're going to explain how to fix the dreaded uncaught syntax error, unexpected token, in your JavaScript code. This error is a common headache for programmers of all levels, but understanding its root cause makes it much easier to solve. The core problem is that your JavaScript interpreter has encountered something it doesn't understand within your code's structure. This something is the unexpected token. The error message itself often points to the line number where the problem lies, which is a fantastic starting point for debugging. Let's break down the most frequent causes and how to address them. 1. Missing or mismatched parentheses, braces, or brackets. JavaScript relies heavily on parentheses, curly braces, and square brackets to define code blocks and structures. Forgetting a closing parenthesis after a function call, a missing curly brace at the end of an if statement or a function, or an unmatched bracket in an array will all trigger this error. Carefully check your code line by line, paying special attention to these symbols. Make sure each opening symbol has a corresponding closing symbol, and that they are correctly nested. Tools like linters or code formatters can help catch this kind of error automatically. 2. Typos and incorrect syntax. Simple typos can throw off the JavaScript interpreter. A missing semicolon at the end of a statement, an incorrect keyword, like for, misspelled as fro, or using the wrong operator, an e.g. kio instead of sha or ha, can all lead to this error. Double-check your spelling, carefully examine each keyword and operator, and ensure you follow JavaScript's syntax rules. 3. String literal errors. Problems with how you're defining strings are another common cause. Forgetting to close a string with a single quote ha or double quote an is a frequent culprit. Ensure that every opening quote has a matching closing quote. If you're using template literals, backticks, make sure you close them correctly too. Be mindful of escaped characters, pals, within your strings. An incorrectly escaped character can cause the parser to get confused. 4. Unexpected characters. Sometimes invisible characters like extra spaces or tabs, or characters from a different character set might sneak into your code and trigger this error. Try cleaning up your code by removing extra white space or using a code editor that can highlight these invisible characters. 5. Reserved keywords. JavaScript has certain reserved keywords that you can't use as variable or function names, e.g. for, while, if, function, let, const, etc. If you accidentally use a reserved keyword, rename the identifier to something else. 6. Incorrect JSON syntax. If you're working with JSON data, ensure your JSON is correctly formatted. Missing commas, incorrect quoting of keys and values, or other syntax errors in the JSON will trigger this error. Use a JSON validator online to check for syntax errors if you suspect a JSON issue. By systematically going through these common culprits, you'll significantly improve your chances of quickly identifying and resolving your uncaught syntax error, unexpected token problem. Remember to use your browser's developer console, usually accessed by pressing F12, which will often pinpoint the exact line causing